Thirikari no ithiete na mbere gwakiriria haro kuhukia thuguri ya indo iria itakinyaniirie ikiro iria cingiragio guku bururi-ini na Akenya magacihuthira matari na umenyo. Na niguo gutigirira Akenya matinekora giterenge-ini kia uhuthiri wa indo ici, umuthi bodi ya guthurima wagiriru wa ndawa guku bururi-ini PPB ni ikiranire ngirimiti na ruhonge rwa kuhurana na indo iria itakinyaniirie ikiro ya kurutithania wira hamwe niguo gutigirira ndawa iria muingi urahuthira ni ikinyaniirie ikiro, oro undu umwe na gutigirira bururi wa Kenya ni ugukorwo uri gikiro-ini gia kwendia ndawa ikinyaniire iria irathondekerwo guku bururi-ini.
Right now we are being pushed by the government to attain what we call maturity level 3 by WHO, so that any products manufactured here can move anywhere in the world.
Kuringana na ruhonge rwa kuhurana na thogori ya indo ici, bururi wa Kenya ukoretwo kiurwo ni mbeca itanyihiire ciringi birioni MANANA kuhitukira indo iria itakinyaniirie ikiro. Kuona gicunji kia 80 kia indo iria inyitikanaga itakinyaniirie ikiro guku bururi-ini ikoragwo ciumite mabururi-ini mangi.
We did carry out a research in the year 2020 on matters of illicit trade, and it was discovered that the country was losing close to 800 billion Kenya shillings on illicit trade. We have managed to nab 400 billion in counterfeit trade since our formation in 2010.
Ruhonge ruru rugite muhinga munene hari kuhurana na thuguri ino ni kuregerio kwa mawatho mihaka-ini ya Kenya na mabururi mangi kuona nikuo indo ici cigeragirio.
The authority in 2021 started what we are calling the recordation program of the intellectual property rights. The purpose of this is to ensure that the owners of trademarks record with us, and we have got a database that is currently being used by officers at border points.
Bodi ya guthurima wagiriru wa ndawa guku bururi-ini PPB ikiuga gukorwo na unyihu wa kigina ni undu umwe ukoretwo ukirutuhia wira wao, na oho uhuthiri wa technology andu makigathiriria ndawa itiganite na muingi ukagura na kuihuthira.
We control the advertisement, but how will I control TikTok if they are advertising or offering medicines for sale on? It is quite a challenge.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.